Should I rip it or should I keep it sealed? Turkey edition. Let's go. Perfect order. Nobody wants this. Let's try it out. Yeah. Let's see if we can see what's good in here. So.
Scanning barcode.
Okay. Here we go. So we've got Ghastly. Sandit. Oh, Snorlax is cool. Pokeball is cool. Talonflame is cool. Dragon is cool. Oh, Ratis, that's cool. That's a reverse holo. It's cool. Oh, Clarifairy, reverse holo too. Cool. Poke Energy and Pom Pom. Nothing. Nice. Bulk card. Bulk stock. Alright, cool. That's good. We'll put them away over there. Like the streamers do. Next. Alright. This is a good one, yeah. So this one was that one. Okay, so this one here is the star. I think this is one of the main attractions in this one, isn't it? So you rip this properly. Should I rip it? Should I keep it sealed? Okay, here we go. Okay. Pokemon Life. Snorlax, that's cool. We have one of those. Okay. Didini, Spreetsy, that's cool. Look at that one there. It's got a big nose. It's like probably. Okay, Aridalos, Core Memory. There we go. There we go. So Mega Zagradite in here. Okay, cool. Hippo one. Okay. Judge. Got a few of those. Terragon. Oh, that's reverse holo too. That's cool. That's very nice. Hey, look. Talonflame. Oh! Wow, look, that's cool. Look at those stars. That's so cool. Let's put that straight into something to store it. That's a good one.
And the energy.
And an energy. Yep, that's cool. Isn't that lovely? That's a cool car. That feels real cool.
Yeah.
Get one of those hot cases for us. Look at that. Soul Destroyer. Duck Strike. Look at those little stars. Yeah, what is it? Thanks. Let's put that in there. That goes in there. That's a good one.
That's the first good one we've got in these packs.
Yeah,
Dad.
that's a good one. Look, I like that. That looks good.
Yeah.
Well, that's a good one. Okay, well that's a good one. We'll just stand it there. All right. Next one. Next one. Let's go. Should I rip it? Should I keep it sealed? That's what they're saying online. All right, let's throw that into the into here. Fletchling, that's cool. It does, okay. Barnacle, cool. Okay, that revolves from now on. Core Memory again, that's good. There's another Hippo.
Yeah,
There's another Judge. Spinarak. 13x. Oh, Forest of Vitality. That's a good one.
Yeah, Dad, we didn't get that one yet.
That is a good one.
Let's put that one in the back.
Just get the box out.
The hard,
Just get a few of those. Yeah.
like how many?
Just get a few. I don't know. 5.
I'll just pull a whole lot out.
No. Just get a few, mate. That's fine. That's a good one.
This should be enough.
Yeah, it's fine. That's a good one. Okay, cool. That was cool. I like that. That Forest of Vitality is cool.
I'm gonna put the Forest of Vitality in this.
Oh yes. Sorry. Yes, you have sweaty hands. You notice how everything you touch has got a spot on it? That's cool. Should I rip it? Should I keep it sealed? Rip it! Go on, rip it! That's what they say. Nerds. You bunch of nerds. All right, let's go. Dartix.
Ah.
Banilby.
Oh, the hammer thing.
Crashing hammer, that's cool.
That's our second one of those.
Amara.
That bread thing.
Limu's Gillette. Looks it. Ooh.
The rat thing again.
Ratitis, whatever it is, that's cool. There's your steel. There's Ratis again, that's a good one.
Oh, that looks like
That's a rare as well, yeah, look at that.
looks like a good one.
That's a good one, yeah, that's a good one. And what do we have underneath here?
Another good one.
Mmm.
Let's put that one in there.
Yeah. That is a really good one.
All the good ones are at the back.
Always at the back, yes.
Yeah. So I'm like, oh, no, these are good cards.
That's a good one.
Look at the back.
That one is cool as well, yes. Auroras, it's very nice, I like that. And basic energy, love the basic energies, yay.
It's cool.
That's cool. That's a good one. I like this reverse holo. It's very nice. That's good. That one is a nice. There's a illustration. That's cool. Next one. Oh yeah, I like this. I like this guy.
Yeah, he looks really cool.
Very cool. All right, let's go. Should I rip it or should I keep it sealed? Rip it.
Rip it. Should I keep it sealed?
Scatterbug.
Ah.
The weight. Oh, dandy. Okay.
That
Diggersby.
rabbit thing.
Okay. Naveen. Volcanion. Did I miss a card there? I don't think so. Volcanion. That's cool.
Oh, another one of those.
Gillette. Cool. Lemonade Gillette. That's cool.
The Gillette. Oh, I can see it.
Oh, hole digging shovel.
Wow.
Chimpo. That's a good one as well. Yeah.
Let's put that one in the bag.
Okay, and then we have basic energy. That's a good one. I like that one.
One more to go, and that's my one that I wanted to do at the start. I like the Forest of Vitality.
Yeah, that is a good one.
Yeah.
It's very cool. That is a cool one.
Forest of Vitality.
That's cool. All right, let's do the one
And
you
then
want.
this is also our last one.
Yeah, it's the last one as well. Yeah, we'll try that one as well.
This is our second last.
Second last, that's right. Should I rip it or should I keep it sealed? Rip it! Go on and rip it! That's a good one. Making energy surge. It's cool. There's the star. That's a cool one. Look at that. That's cool.
That thing again. The plants
One thing. Jacinthe. Okay. I see one. Oh, they're Clefaki. Okay, cool. And then we have Simon. Oh, look at this. Yes.
Yeah.
Look at that one. That's a good one.
Yes.
That's a good one. That is a good one. Look,
We were just waiting.
look at that.
No,
That is a good one. Look at that. Look at that one. Look at that. Those are good ones. So we got 1, 2, and 3 real good ones. 4 good ones. That's awesome. Ta-da! All right, and then the last one. Perfect order. Okay, and this is going to be fun to open. All right, so we'll just. Should I rip it or should I keep it sealed? Rip it. Go on.
Rip it.
Rip it.
Go on,
ahead.
rip it.
Go on, rip it.
Rip it.
You
rip
want
it.
to rip it?
We want you to rip it. Rip it. Should I keep it sealed? Or should I rip it? Rip it.
How do the people open this? It's insane.
You literally just rip the back off?
I have no idea. Like this maybe? Maybe like that?
Yeah, like that.
Maybe? You know that? That's insane. Okay, well, first of all, we have that.
That special card, that first one.
That is, yes, promo card, isn't it? No, it's not promo card. What is it? It's it has a little star on it. Oh, we will bag it.
Yeah, it looks like a good one.
Well, it is a little star.
Oh.
Oh. Put that back with the rest of the stars. Okay, cool. Now we've got a coin. Plastic, it's not metal. That's cool, we can play with that. Now, last one. Last one.
I don't know those new things.
Should I rip it? Should I keep it sealed? Turkeys, you bunch of trolls. Okay, here we go.
Oh.
Yeah, that's a fossil, that's a good one. There's the Dindy again. There's that thing again.
Oh, the star again.
The star again, yeah, okay, good. Star, yeah, star you, yeah. Core memory.
Yeah, this adds so much more damage.
Wow.
$300.
It gives you power straight away, that's very cool.
350.
He's got all energy from his Pokemon, which is a bit annoying. 350 though, that's somebody who gets skills straight away. Ratus, yes, that's a good one. Ibidon. Oh! Look at that. That is so cool.
Oh, two more.
Wow, that is...
Two of those
ton
good
of-
ones, Dad.
ton of
Two.
flame. That is so cool. Look at this. Should I rip it? Should I keep it sealed?
Yeah.
Rip it. Boom! That is cool.
One. Well, using both of them because the next one's also a good one.
That is so cool. Look at that. Illustration rare. Sweet. Should I keep it? Should I rip it or should I keep it sealed? Rip it.
Should I keep it? Or should I rip it sealed?
Keep it. No. Should I keep it or should I rip it?
Should I
Look,
keep
that was
it?
a cool one as well.
No.
Cool.
That's
Nice.
the last thing. That
That's
was
the last
the
one.
exact amount we needed.
That's right. Yeah, you're very good. We got it. Should I rip it? Should I keep it sealed? Rip it! Cool.